Wash your hands before you eat. Don't mess up and wash your feet. Remember, you must sit up straight. Don't put elbows in your plate. Keep your lips shut while chewing. Food in mouth is not for you. When you want more, you must say, please can you pass those yucky peas? Use your napkin, not your sleeve. That's a grown-up big pet peeve. After all is said and done, mealtime now is just no fun. Wash your hands before you eat. Don't mess up and wash your feet. Remember, you must sit up straight. Don't put elbows in your plate. Keep your lips shut while chewing. Food in mouth is not for viewing. If you want more, you must say, please can you pass those yucky peas? Use your napkin, not your sleeve. That's a grown-up big pet peeve. After all is said and done, meal time now is just no fun.